I've always been interested in history. Understanding our past helps inform our future. At the very heart of our organisation is our vision, which is to uncover the past to create a better world. Wessex are one of the largest archaeological and heritage organisations in the UK. We're also an educational charity. We are designed and built to handle pretty much anything the heritage environment in the UK can throw at us. We have an international team. Being based in Salisbury, we've got massive Stone Age and Bronze Age and Iron Age history. A typical week at Wessex, we will have field teams that go out to site. As they find objects and finds in the field, they are sent back to be immediately processed, as well as washing the soil element and uncover things like botanical elements and insect parts, which help us to date the soil. Once they have been processed, they can then be analysed by our finds analysis teams, as well as our archive teams, work out where in the archaeological record they sit. Some of the great stuff that we excavate includes a lot of pottery, Neolithic flint, all the way up to Roman Samian ware. We also have a dedicated team of marine archaeologists who ensure that we are protecting the heritage that is on the seafloor. You find everything and anything in Britain. It's great. The archives team will work with everything from pottery through to a slab of mosaic. Their needs vary wildly, because the documentation part of their job is what really takes up a lot of their administrative time. In our industry, there are a lot of documents. They could be land documents, they could be archaeological documents, they could be the record that we're creating as we uncover a site. Managing and controlling and sharing those documents is a really key part of how we collaborate and work as an organisation. We were looking for a solution that would help our business to enhance and move forwards. The strengths of Box quickly set it apart from other options. Day-to-day, our teams are often flicking between different screens, and being able to centralize a lot of that information and data into one place is a really key aspect of Box, if you like. Speeding up and making our collaboration more efficient. Box's workflow and relay functions, alongside Box Forms, allows us to build a front-end app to get data in a consistent manner, no matter where in the world someone is, whether they're out in the field in the rain, in the office in the warm, or on some sunny beach in the south of Australia. For archaeology, metadata is incredibly important. When we finish projects, part of our job is to archive that with the Archaeological Data Service in the UK. Every photo that we take, every part of the report must be tagged with correct metadata to ensure compliance with their regulations. Tying together every document in a project is a little bit of a Herculean task, and so being able to use metadata extraction to automatically define a project that a document is part of will be massively helpful. For us, security and governance is a really key pillar because we work not only confidentially with our clients but also for the public as part of our role as a charity. Box allows us to ensure that the right people see the right thing at the right time. What's been fascinating for me in the field of archaeology is seeing the change from when I was first interested in it as a child, where most of the work was being done on a piece of paper, to today, where everything is digitally integrated. Being able to see a find along with the hole it was discovered in, along with the original report that we did on the site, is hugely beneficial. Making sure that we are at the forefront of technology that allows us to be more efficient, more collaborative and better as an organisation is always an improvement for our specialists and the time that they can spend doing what they love. Archaeology is the way that we find our heritage, and heritage is the way that we support our future.